Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Sprout Social, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Type Sprout Social into the search bar. Click on the official Sprout Social website link. Look for the Start 30-Day Free Trial button prominently displayed on the homepage. Click on this button to proceed. You will be directed to a registration page. Fill out the required fields with your information. Enter your name in the designated box. Provide your email address accurately. Create a strong password that meets the specified criteria. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the next field. Review the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree, check the box to accept these terms. Click on the Create My Account button. You may be prompted to verify your email address. Go to your email inbox and look for the verification email from Sprout Social. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This action will redirect you back to the Sprout Social platform. You may now be asked to set up your account further. Follow the prompts to define your preferences and settings. You might need to connect your social media accounts as part of the setup. Choose the platforms you wish to integrate with Sprout Social. Provide any additional information requested by the platform. Once you have completed these steps, your account will be fully set up. You can now begin exploring Sprout Social's features and tools. Take your time to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Congratulations, you have successfully registered with Sprout Social. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.